What's up, guys? How you doing? Chad Schleicher from the Wellness Point, your chiropractor. So I had a couple questions about viruses today, and people were concerned about the coronavirus. I said, you don't have to be concerned. It's just the news, the media, trying to push an agenda because the sleepwalking people in life are starting to wake up. It's flu season. They can't convince people to take some type of neurotoxin to prevent themselves for the flu. A couple people, they can still do that, but that's just because those people are still sleepwalking. But we're coming now from an era of lies into an era of truth. So they use scare tactics in order to get us to do what they want to do. So a virus is a virus. You got bacteria are bacteria. And science will name those things, and those viruses can morph, they can get stronger. Just like if an individual, went to the gym and they were 16 pounds overweight and just a little bit out of shape, and they committed for the next 9 months to get into shape, and they got six-pack abs, they could run faster, they could jump higher. It didn't change them into a completely different species. It just got stronger. And so the viruses are the same thing. The swine flu, the bird flu, SARS, the Zika virus, and then this new thing called the coronavirus. All they do is rename these things because they got a little bit stronger. And the reason that people are getting infected is because they have chinks in their armor. And that's not a Chinese joke. It's just that they literally have little spots in their defense system that allows for these these small viruses that are a little bit stronger than the ones in the past to latch onto and infect people. So you're not going to get rid of viruses. There's no drug, potion, lotion, or pill, or vaccine that's going to get rid of those things. What we have to do as individuals is get rid of those chinks in our armor to build up our immune system, to build up our body's defense system naturally, so that when we do encounter those things, we aren't affected by them, or if we get them, our body can fight them quicker. So until the end of the month, we've had this probably going for like I don't know how long, 3 weeks. It's going to be going on for another 3 weeks. If you can't afford $85, the top two things there on the list you should be able to get. The vitamin D is $30. The elderberry is $33. That $63 will last you the rest of the winter to help to boost your immune system so that you don't get these viruses. You don't have to worry about the stuff coming from the Chinese because you don't have any chinks in your armor. So thanks for listening. If you have any questions, you can give our office a call. You can ask the front desk about the sale. It's $85 at the end of February. It's going away. Thanks for listening. And so will the coronavirus. Thanks for listening.